I'm Mark Imperial, and this is Remarkable Radio. Do you find yourself asking people to repeat themselves a lot? Are you able to have the same nuanced, enjoyable conversations with people around you? Are you feeling isolated or not as social as you once were? Sound World Solutions, a very different kind of hearing aid company, is interested in helping people rediscover the power of connection by providing a high-quality and affordable hearing solution you can customize yourself at home for just $449. They're also a company with a heart, socially driven people who are trying to improve hearing around the world. Today we have Shawn Stahmer, VP of Business Development with Sound World Solutions, to tell us about their new approach to hearing solutions, their social mission, and what both of these mean to you. Shawn, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Mark. Glad to be here.
Let's just jump right into the heart of the matter. Aren't there already enough hearing aid options and companies out there? Why do we need another one?
It's true. There are a lot of options available, but there are still more than 30 million people here in the U.S. that aren't getting the help they need with their hearing. And millions more are joining them every year. So something is definitely missing. Now, not everybody can afford to pay $3,000 for a hearing aid, and not everybody has access to health insurance that can pay for them. Because of that, there's on average a 7-year gap from the time that people realize they need help with their hearing to the time that they take action to do something about it. Now, our staff, the Sound World Solutions staff, has more than 70 years of combined experience in designing and in fitting hearing aids. So we use that experience to build a solution that delivers all of the functionality and all of the quality of the very best solutions that are out there on the market, but all at a fraction of the price.
So I see your hearing aids are well below $1,000 a pair and only $449 for a single ear. So besides price, how are they different?
Well, there's a couple things to highlight. Our products can be used right out of the box, and we also provide a free phone app that lets people customize the hearing aid to their specific listening preferences. So the app helps the user to go through a brief hearing screening using our device, an experience that's very similar to what you would get when you go to get your hearing tested at a clinic. The app takes you through the appropriate frequencies and then automatically programs the hearing aid based on the results, all in about 3 minutes' time. The result of that is a hearing aid that's set to your specific needs, which you can control yourself and adjust as needed without ever having to visit a hearing clinic. And one more big difference is that our batteries are rechargeable. That saves users even more, typically about a couple $100 per year in savings. And they also offer a tremendous advantage in terms of people who have challenges with their dexterity. There's no more fumbling with those little button cell batteries that are typically used in traditional hearing aids.
So you also have a mission side, I understand. Is that correct?
That's correct.
So you're bringing better hearing to people in developing nations. Tell me more about that.
Yeah, that's right. That's one of the things that really sets us apart as a company. In the U.S., there are 30 million people who are going without getting proper hearing treatment. And most of them do have access to audiologists and hearing aid infrastructure. Now, the options are expensive, but they are there. They have access to them. If we go around the world, that number jumps to somewhere between 600 million and 1 billion people that need help with their hearing. And most of these people have no access to the hearing aid infrastructure. And even when products are available, they're typically even more expensive than they are here in the U.S. So we're partnering with social enterprise organizations and government agencies around the world to bring our solution to developing nations. And we're currently working in such diverse areas as India, Africa, Central America, and the Philippines.
So how can our listeners find out more, either about your hearing aids or your mission?
Well, for more information or to order a hearing aid for $449, just go to soundworldsolutions.com. We have lots of information, user testimonials, statements from our partners like the Mayo Clinic and Johns Hopkins University, and how-to videos, all to help answer any questions that people have. You can place an order directly through our website. Again, that's soundworldsolutions.com, or give us a call toll-free at 855-792-0117. And again, that's 855-792-0117. And it's worth noting we also offer a 45-day no-risk trial period. That lets people get the hearing aids home, put them on, try them out in a variety of settings and locations to make sure they really do help the way that they need to. And if for some reason the products aren't right, just give us a call and we'll send out a return shipping label so you can send them back to us at our expense. As far as the social mission side goes, all of that information is also on the website. So again, you can go to soundworldsolutions.com, click on About, and then click on Mission. There's a great 5-minute video where our founders explain what we're doing, the impact that we're making, and how others can join us in bringing better hearing to the world.
That's terrific. Any final thoughts or comments?
Yeah, I would just say that hearing loss is not a visible condition. So many people aren't getting the help that they need, and we understand that. Medicare doesn't cover the cost of hearing aids, which is really a shame since better hearing provides health and quality of life benefits that far outweigh the cost of hearing aids, even the really expensive ones. So it's this high cost and the lack of coverage that prevent far too many people from taking action as soon as they should. So we strongly encourage folks to correct this. Take some action now. Now, of course, we believe our products are a great option. They're easy to use. They're super affordable, so everyone can hear better and get back into the conversation.
What would you say is like a big misconception that folks have when it comes time to, looking for a hearing aid?
Well, I think there's a lot of issues in play with why people don't get them. One, for example, is people say, well, I don't know, maybe they'll make me look old. And we have our customers say, that's really not the case. What makes you look old is missing half of the conversation and cupping your ear and trying to sit close to the conversation, or just removing yourself from any conversations that are occurring because the strain is too tough. So finding a way to get the help you need and get back into the conversation is really what you need to be doing.
That's sage advice. Shawn, thank you so much for being on Remarkable Radio and sharing.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you for your mission, too. You're doing terrific work. I wish you continued success for you and your clients.
Thanks.
I'm Mark Imperial. This is Remarkable Radio, and we'll be right back with more right after this.